Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're gonna be trying the new Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze Brow Styling Wax. This is how the packaging looks, and let me open it up for you guys and see how the product looks. Okay, the packaging is really pretty. It's like a rose gold. It's very nice. As you can see, it looks very high-end product. And this is how it looks compared with the brow packaging. This one is a little bit bigger and a little bit skinnier. As you can see, the brow freeze, it has 0.28 ounces and the deep brow 0.14. This one has more product than this. The product is clear, as you can see. Look at how it looks, and the spoolie is very sticky, but it doesn't feel like it's gonna be hard in your eyebrows. Just try it out and see how it works. As you guys can see, I haven't done my eyebrows today because I want to try this product with you guys. Before we start with the video, make sure to subscribe to my channel, like the video. So the price of this brow freeze is $23, as you can see in the Sephora website. I actually got mine at Ulta. I also gonna read the description of this product. It says, an easy to use styling wax that lifts, tames, and sculpts every hair with extreme hold. And it's also a cruelty free. I gently pick up a small amount of product using the spoolie of the brush number 12. Sold separately, of course. I do have the brush number 12, but I also brought another one. We're gonna see if you actually have to have this brush, or you can use any other brush with a spoolie at the end. And I also brought one of these extra, like, you know, disposable spoolies. I normally always have this in my makeup vanity because I like to use this, you know, to kind of to comb my hairs. Not my hairs, but you know, my brow hairs and my hairs too, you know, why not? I also have the browies, so we'll see how it works better. They recommend to use one of these powders from Anastasia, you know, the brow powders. I have this book right here that we're gonna be using today. I also have the brow pen from Anastasia Beverly Hills. As you can see, I really like Anastasia Beverly Hills products. To be honest, I feel like Anastasia Beverly Hills make one of the best products for the eyebrows. It's very cold today, you guys. And my throat was hurting. I was kind of freaking out. You know why? So I went to a Starbucks and I got me a tea. If you guys haven't tried this tea, it's called Medicine Balm or Medicine Ball. Let me show you this, because if you have like sore throat and you're feeling under the weather, you need this tea. You need this tea. I normally ask for a Medicine Balm, but I love this tea, you guys. Here where I live, the weather is very cold, so this tea has been saving my life. I'm gonna put the camera a little bit closer so you guys can see how the product works. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills brush number 12. We're gonna be dipping this brush in product. I think you guys are too close. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna apply a good amount, and I'm gonna kind of rub it in my hand. So now I think it has too much product. I'm cleaning my brush a little bit. Oh, it feels weird. My brows feel wet. Oh my god. I've never done my eyebrows this way, you guys, but if this is what you're going for, look at this. What? I'm just laughing because I feel that I kind of look funny or weird, you know. Okay, so with this part of the brush, you're supposed to press it down and kind of like to help the brows stay in place. Wow. Now I'm gonna be grabbing one of these powders and I'm gonna going down. Look at how nice they look. I feel like my hairs are a little bit too long, but look at how pretty they look. Wow, I'm kind of liking them. I never tried these kind of brows before. And I feel like they give you a very natural eyebrow look. I mean, if you guys wanna wear your eyebrows like that, you guys can. It's getting hard for sure. It's more sticky. Now I'm gonna be trying the pencil in case you guys are more familiar with pencil. Let's see if we can. Oh, this is much easier, you guys. 'Cause I like the pencil more than the powder, to be honest. Wow. And it's drying out already. Now we're gonna be trying the brow paint. See if we can make it work. This is how it looks. I can blend it in a little bit more. I'm gonna clean it a little bit with concealer to see if that looks better. It looks really pretty. I really like it. And as right now, it's still a little bit sticky, but you can see how it's getting hard. So you can comb your hairs and, you know, like kind of style the way you prefer them. What do you guys think? I really like it. Look at the difference in between the two eyebrows. Wow. I'm impressed, you guys. I really like this product. I never tried this kind of, you know, like brow wax or soap brow or whatever they call. But I really like it. I feel like it makes my face look more young. Like, you know, like my eyebrows are more fluffy, more full. It looks like I have a very full eyebrow, which I really love. Look at the difference. I'm gonna go ahead and finish my other eyebrow and I'll be right back. Okay guys, here's the final result using the brow frizz from Anastasia Beverly Hills. A completely different product for me, but I really like it, you guys. Same as a lot of products from Anastasia Beverly Hills, I'm in love with it. I like how different my eyebrows look. Look at how thick they look. It's already dry and it feels a little bit hard, but not too uncomfortable where you cannot move your eyebrows, or, you know, like you don't feel like the product too much. I mean, if this is your style of eyebrows, you're gonna love this. Another thing that I really like is that you can use a pencil, you can use a pen, the powder, and you can also use any brush. You can use like a regular spoolie. Whatever you have is gonna work with this. I love this product. It's something very different than the products that I normally use, but I'm happy with it. Look at the result. So I also really like the packaging. It's very chic, very looks expensive, you know, looks nice. If you're looking to have very thick eyebrows like mine, I don't have too many eyebrow hairs, and look at it, make my eyebrows look very full, very young looking, I think. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna go and finish my tea. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Good night.